Hi everybody, I'm Guido with Lenovo, and I'm here with the IdeaPad 310 notebook. Today we are going to be replacing the memory module. The process will take about 5 minutes and it should be easy enough for anyone to do. The tool required is a Phillips screwdriver. Before you continue, you want to make sure you are protected against electrostatic discharge or ESD. For more information on ESD, click the link in the description. In order to prepare for working on your machine, make sure you completely shut down the system and disconnect all of the cables and accessories from the computer once it has completely powered down. You can now place the machine on a flat, hard surface in order to begin. Now that we are ready, let's get started. First, you will have to disable the internal battery. Open the lid, then press these 3 keys on the keyboard: the function key, S and V. Good. Now press the power button again. If the machine stays powered off, then you have successfully disabled the internal battery. Now close the lid and turn the machine over. To replace the memory module, first we have to remove the small cover. To do this, first remove this screw here. Then pry open the cover and remove it. Using our fingernails, pull the latches and then remove the memory module. Now we take the new memory module out of its anti-static bag, and then we have to align it to the connector looking at the notch here. Insert the module into the connector and press down until it latches. To replace the small cover, first we have to engage the bottom side and then press to snap it into place. Last, we have to install this screw here. Last, don't forget to plug in the power adapter in order to re-enable the internal battery.